Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of how to guide. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix if your TikTok video uploading is stuck. So in this case, you just simply have to check if your internet connection is connected properly or not. And if your internet connection is working properly, but still if your video is not uploading, you should check if the file is corrupted or not. And now if your file is alright, then and you should try clearing the app cache. In order to do that, just simply go to app settings, and into app settings find out TikTok into there, and after finding TikTok, go to storage setting, and into the storage setting you can get this option of clear cache. Click into that and clear the cache. Then after that, try to re-uploading the video, and now you can probably upload the video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update from the channel. Thank you for watching the video.